Hello, everybody. Let's learn the letters and the sounds of the alphabet together. Let's start with the very first letter. Do you remember what the first letter of the alphabet is? That's right, A. It makes the sound A, like apple. Then B, bus. And C, cat. Good job. What's next? D, dog. Woof woof. And E, elephant. F, fish. Then comes the letter G, giant. And H, horse. Oh, and then we have I, ice cream. Do you like ice cream? J, jungle. K, key. And L, lion. M, mouse. N, nose. O, oasis. And P, pig. Oink, oink. After that is Q, quick. And R, rat. S, sail. Then T, train. Choo-choo. And U-boat. That's a boat that goes underwater. V, vase. Then W, worker. X, xylophone. Y, yellow. And the last letter is Z, zebra. Good job, everybody. That was fun. Bye-bye.